So I think there's a bird in my laundry room, and we're gonna take you on the journey of how to free the bird. I didn't hear the bird today. I heard it yesterday, so it might be dead. But let's go see. Let's go see if we can do this. You gonna be my helper? Helpers, let's do this. Come on, girls.
Let's go.
I think that it's in this coil.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna open up the coil and figure it out.
Or is there a way for it to go like into the dryer?
Not into this
Checks
part.
the inside.
We got reinforcements. Not good with this power tool.
You're also.
Am I on? Can we switch spots?
No,
I can't do this.
I
This was your idea.
It was
I
not.
said, let's wait for Jimmy. You said, no, we could do it.
That was last night when I know he would have been home.
If it's alive, I don't have a game plan.
I think you just need to
I
pull
can't.
it off.
You need to pull it off. I'm out of here. I'm coming on this side, and you can do this part if you want, or we can wait until later, because I can't. I got close enough to it where I realize I'm freaking out now. I can't do it.
I'm not doing
I'm
it.
sweating. Well, we painted Kylan's room once upon a time.
Got it.
Okay. There you go, Kelly. Get it, girl.
It's like real tight around there.
Well,
I need another one of these.
so grab the plastic hanger. That's a good idea.
Oh,
What just happened?
I pulled it off.
Oh, okay. You scared me.
What are you doing?
Well, I thought that a bird was moving. I thought that's what that sound was. Like a...
Okay, but now what? What's our...
Now we pull it all the way out.
Okay, you're next to the puller, so...
I'm not next to the puller.
I did the hard part.
You didn't even touch it. I have to touch it.
You want the
to
roller?
pull it. What do you see? What do you see in there?
I'm scared. My eyes are closed.
I can't. I want to take the doors.
I'm gonna pee. What's in there? Hey, can you see
I
anything?
don't see anything.
That's good.
Okay.
How did it just fall?
Well, it just fell out.
What? Oh, shoot. Okay, all you have to do is pull that side straight so that you can see all the way through it, and then you can back up and look through all of it. I'm the one in the corner of the room.
I prayed to the good Lord that this bird was smart and flew out. It felt fairly light for there to be a bird in it. Oh, don't worry. Stay in your room. Mom's just freaking out in here. Okay, alright.
Why are you lifting?
Is it a bird?
Oh, I fell.
It's just a lot of stuff.
I'm gonna cry. Why did you keep emptying it? I'm gonna puke.
Kelly, come out.
It's dead. I can't move.
Oh my gosh. I need some
I'm gonna pee.
big tweezers.
No, I'm gonna throw up.
I can't take it. Hold on, let me get a broom.
Don't close the door! Oh my gosh. I could actually go up. Now, if I see a wing move, I don't not know how to zoom in.
Yeah, it's dead. No. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. 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 Okay.
Wait,
okay.
where's the head?
Okay.
You literally just kept pushing it out.
I didn't think it was in there. It was so light.
What do you mean it was so light? You kept you like shook it like 12 times.
Oh, Kelly. Oh, Kelly. I can't. Ranger, stay in your room.
Move the tube out of the way.
I'm trying to. This grosses me out more than anything in the entire universe right now. It's gonna move the bird. It's gonna move the bird. It's gonna move the bird. It's attached to the bird. It's attached to the bird. Where's the head of the bird? Where's the head of the bird? I can't.
A bigger bird came in and bit their head off.
Of scooping it with this scares me so bad. I don't. Kayla, can you do it?
I cannot. I am crossed-legged over here, about to pee in the corner of the room.
I just need to get this done. I can do this.
You can do it.
Where's the head?
It's sad. Oh, I'm gonna puke. I see the mouth. I see the mouth. I see the beak. You see the beak?
I don't see
You
the beak.
see the beak?
Look at it!
I'm gonna pee. Oh my god.
Oh, it's sticking out. Oh, it's sticking out.
Did you see the beak?
Yes, get it! I'm sweating. It's not in the bag. It's not in the bag. Oh gosh! Oh, good lord! I'm done.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait, let me.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Are you sure?
Traumatized my entire family, but I got it. The bird flew in from that air vent up there. Do you see it? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Wow, I actually cried.
We did it. See, girl power. We
Oh,
don't
man.
we don't need a husband to help us get a bird.
Whew.
We
Wow.
need-
I wouldn't leave you.
we did it. Thanks for watching. If you're not already a loyal subscriber to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please like this
more
video for
crazy.
more crazy bird catching videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.